Hello students, welcome to this module on refrigeration and air conditioning. In this session, we will learn about cutting gasket. Objectives. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to dismantle the gasket from the compressor, identify the reusable gaskets suitable to the location of the parts, identify the new gaskets to be cut, mark and cut the gasket according to required size. Now let us take a look at the tools, equipments and consumables needed for cutting gasket. Tools, equipments and consumables. Box spanner, double end spanner, hammer, mallet, gasket cutting scissors, cutter knife or gasket cutting chisel, hole punch, commercial compressors spares, shaft seal assembly, arbor press, kerosene 500 ml, refrigeration oil 250 ml, oil can, gada cloth as required, gasket as required.
Now let us see preparations for cutting gasket. In the realm of commercial reciprocating compressors, the efficiency and reliability of operations are paramount. Gaskets, despite their seemingly small stature, play a crucial role in ensuring the seamless functioning of these compressors. From containing pressure to preventing leaks, gaskets serves as essential components in maintaining the integrity of compressor systems. Important points to remember while checking or replacing the gasket. Material compatibility. Ensure that the gasket used in the reciprocating compressor are compatible with the fluids such as lubricants or refrigerants and operating temperatures encountered within the system. Proper sealing. Check the gasket are properly sealing joints and connections throughout the compressor system. Tightness and compression. Verify that the gaskets are tightened to be manufacturer's recommended torque specifications to ensure proper compression. Over-tightening can damage gaskets, while under-tightening can lead to leaks. Inspection for wear and tear. Regularly inspect gaskets for signs of wear, tear or damage such as cracks, deformation or brittleness. Pressure and temperature resistance. Confirm that the gaskets are rated for the maximum pressure and temperature conditions within the compressor system. Vibration resistance. Evaluate the gasket's ability to withstand vibration generated by the reciprocating motion of the compressor. Chemical resistance. Ensure that the gaskets are resistant to the chemicals present in the compressor system, including refrigerants, lubricants, and cleaning agents. Compatibility with flange materials. Check the gasket material is compatible with the materials of the flanges it seals against. Installation procedures. Follow proper installation procedures recommended by the gasket manufacturer, including surface preparation, alignment, and tightening sequence to ensure effective sealing and longevity. Check the use of all gaskets or cut new gaskets. Check the gaskets which are removed with care. While dismantling, reject the damaged gaskets or compressed too thin. Select the reusable gaskets suitable to the location of the parts and choose the correct thickness of the gaskets with instructor's guidance. Cut the piece of gasket little more than the size of the part from the gasket roll. Place the gasket on the surface of the part. Get the impression of two holes opposite to each other by rubbing with small spanner on these holes. Punch these holes by the gasket punch. Again, fix the gasket on the surface of the part with two bolts. Hold the gasket properly. Rub the edges of the part with a small spanner and get the impression of the part on the gasket. Remove the gasket and cut it on the impression of outer marks by gasket cutting scissor, inner marks by cutting blade. Use the hammer and hole punch to punch the holes. While punching the holes, keep any waste or old gasket down the new gasket to save the hole punches cutting edge. Hold the hole punch straight and hit the head with the hammer till the complete circumference of the hole cuts. Punch these holes by the gasket punch. Record the list of reused gaskets, new gaskets, locations, and each one's thickness in the record sheet.
In this topic, we came to know about dismantle the gasket from the compressor, identify the reusable gaskets suitable to the location of the parts, identify the new gaskets to be cut, mark and cut the gasket according to required size. I hope you all understood the process of cutting gasket. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Goodbye.